Okay, when replacing the briquettes and the clips, some of the trays have a longer return on that. Put it on a flat surface and let it overhang. Get yourself a piece of 2x4, piece of flat metal, stick it up underneath there, like so. And then you're going to take your briquette, some of them are already in there, some are missing. Put it in there like that. All right, important that make sure that when you get your new clips, you want to have a slight little angle by using needle nose pliers to bend it outward like so. Same as on the other one there. Bend it out like that. So when you put it in the tray against that flat metal, it bends the clips outward. Otherwise they'll bend inward and it won't fasten on. Take your clip here, set it in, and you're going to be getting either like a flat chisel or a metal paint scraper will work with a wide angle on it. Set it right over on the edge of this like so, line it up, and then you're going to go ahead and give it a whack with a rubber mallet. One more whack, sorry. And that will fasten that in. You can actually have a room here to slide the next one in. Just come across. And then continue on the other side doing the same thing.